Hey everybody, AmpRepairGuy.com, 203-892-4119, also HarbachElectronics.com. Please like, share, and subscribe. So, I have another Ameritron Al811 here. Someone went in here and tried to do some work. So, strap is frayed on this side. I'm going to replace all three. Someone had added a gas discharge tube, but they had a tube flash. Meter protection diode shorted. Someone changed the plate blockers. Only needs one. These are Chinese ones. I'll put a ceramite in, one single one. So I'll go over the rest of it. It has SO239s, but they're like strange. They're like really tight, and it's really hard to push the PL259 in all the way to get it fully seated, so I'm going to change them. I will put a longer screw in the plate choke because it's wobbling around. I always change it anyway. Tighten up on hardware. There's a burn mark, like a little spot on the air variable cap on one of the plates. I'll clean that off. The edges look okay, so should be good after I do that. But I'll fully test it on all bands. Getting a brand new set of Pentalab 572B tubes. I'll clean the rotary switches with deoxit gold, and I'll report back after. I'll also compress all the socket clips, put the new gas discharge tubes in, and that's about it. So I'll be back. Stay tuned. See you soon. So I'm back with the completed Ameritron Al811. I was waiting on parts for this, so sitting here for about a week. I had to order a new choke. I thought I could fix this one. I thought it was just a loose screw, but someone had been in this before, did a bunch of stuff to it. So when I put a longer bolt in, it was still uneven. It would pull it sideways. I tried to shim it. Then I'm like, you know what? No, I'm just going to get another one. So I got another one. Replaced it. Did the bias modification. Replaced the plate blocking cap. The lead was broken on the other one. Replaced all the straps. They were frayed. Put the gas discharge tubes into the base of the socket. Compressed the socket clips. It's got a brand new set of Pentalab tubes. Remove the metal oxide varistors. The 10 meter modification. Clean the input rotary switch with deoxit gold. Clean the output rotary switch / band switch with deoxit gold. Change the SO239s. Put high quality silver plated ones in from Max Gain Systems. Really nice people over there. I used to sell them vacuum variable caps back in the day when I used to get hundreds of them in from broadcast sites. But I no longer sell parts like that, so just amplifiers. So this is all set. I'm ready to go. Also touched up on solder joints, tightened hardware. So if you need an amplifier repaired, feel free to give me a call. I added the info on my website on how to pack and ship an amplifier to me. Go to AmpRepairGuy.com. First selection on the index page on the left side of the main page. My other website's Harbach Electronics. My phone number is 203-892-4119. If you want to buy a Harbach kit, please do it through the site. I don't take any orders for Harbach kits over the phone. So the phone number is just for amplifier repair. So please like, share, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. 203-892-4119. 73.